Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for plagiarism in Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs using your application desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Once you open it up, simply open up any document where you want to check plagiarism. Now, once your document is opened up, simply click on the extensions option at the top menu. Then scroll over to add-ons and then click on get add-ons. Now from the search page, simply type in plagiarism and start the search. You will then find various plagiarism checking services that you can install into your Google Docs. Simply click on any one of your choosing and then click on the install button. You can then scroll through the continue button and select your Google account. Then allow access to the add-on. And now finally click on the done button and you're good to go. Now in order to check plagiarism, just select your desired text and then go to the plagiarism checking extension and click on plagiarism checker. This will now start scanning your document and check for plagiarism across various websites. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check for plagiarism on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.